All right, guys, just wanted to do a quick review slash, I don't know, overview of one of these cheap Chinese-made incubators. These run for about anywhere from $80 to $100. It's got an automatic egg turner. It's got a clock, a day clock, a humidity a monitor, and then of course a temperature monitor. I bought this and it lasted one season. I used it one time and then it wouldn't hold the temperature anymore. And what it was a cheap heating element. And I actually spent a whopping, I think it was $12 on Amazon and replaced that heating element. And what you do is you just basically get a Phillips and take this grate off, unplug the motor, of course, the motor, and then right behind that fan, that black box right back there, is a fan. There's a heating element. Looks just like a little flat piece of metal, like 1 inch by 1/4 inch wide, maybe by 4 inches long. Take that out, reconnect it to the wires, and then you're good to go. That beeping is telling me that the humidity has dropped below 40%, and so you just hit reset and it'll go back up. But I've really been amazed with the temperature. I incubated both chicken and cortunix quail eggs in this thing. I've got a couple more that need to hatch out over there. Of course, quite a few more chicken eggs. But really, just picked kind of that mean temperature of 38 degrees Celsius, which is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, I think 100.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and had good results. So I'm going to post the link to that heating element I used. It's a heating element that is for coffee makers, actually, and I think foot massagers. A little bit beefier one, and it is working really well so far. And let me go outside to the brooder and show you the end results of this thing. Okay, guys, and here you have it. Those are 4 little chicks, kind of my own little hybrid. I breed Easter egg hens to an actual game bird that I rescued here in the neighborhood when he was a small chick. Turned out to be a fighting rooster, but that actually makes a very hardy hen that can really forage. They're good egg layers, they're good mothers. They go broody many times, although they haven't lately. I incubated those, and then recently got these little babies. These are jumbos, cortunix quail. Got them off of eBay, and I think I ended up with 21 eggs that survived the travel. 9 were destroyed through the mail, but had a hatch rate right now of 17. So I'm waiting on a few more eggs to see, but pretty good with that incubator. They're already starting to eat their high protein starter. So this is just a simple brooder box that I made out of some scrap lumber. So you know what, guys, please support the channel. I know sometimes I don't have a whole lot of content, but I try to get some content out there. If you like this, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments, and again, we thank you for watching as always. Take care and be safe out there.